160 million. I look at that and I am saying that, I mean, a lot of persons really don't, if you're not financially educated, you wouldn't understand how assets appreciate over time. You wouldn't understand how you can leverage the equity
Yes.
within property and gain another. There's nothing so far to demonstrate anything that happened untoward. And,
Yes.
and I want to say, some are now changing the rules that we have in our society. So in the Prime Minister case, you must be guilty and then you'll be proven innocent.
Yes. Yes.
I really don't understand it, Cliff. It, it, it,
Uh,
it baffles me. And it speaks to a level of what it tells me how much work we have to do in terms of financial literacy in this country,
yes.
because I'm sure if we had a far more financially literate population, then
Yes.
the People's National Party and their quote unquote allies would not have been using this strategy.